Some people are having trouble with the previous video that I did about how to disable the Windows key inside of Windows 11. So I decided to make a new version of the video with a different method so you can disable the Windows key inside of Windows 11. Now don't forget to drop a like into the video, subscribe, all these good things, and let's start. Click into the Start menu, and on the top you want to type Regedit. It's going to show you the Registry Editor. I recommend you guys that you right click into it and you go into Run as Administrator. Once you have the Registry Editor open, you want to go to Hotkey Current User and expand that menu. Software, expand that menu as well. Now you want to scroll down until you find Microsoft, expand that menu, and scroll down once more until you see Windows. Expand that menu as well. Go into Current Version. Once you have expanded the menu of Current Version, you want to scroll down until you find the folder of Policies. Right click into it and you want to create new key. You want to name this key Explorer. Once you have created this new key, on the right side you want to right click and create a new DWORD 32-bit value. You want to name this key No Win Keys. Now that you have the key created, you want to double click into it and you want to change the value data from 0 to 1. Click in OK. And now you can close the Registry Editor. After you have done that, you need to restart your PC and the Windows key should be disabled. But if this method doesn't work for you, I'm going to show you a second one. And from here you want to go to Hotkey Local Machine, expand that menu, go into System, expand that menu as well, and in here you want to see Current Control Set, expand that menu, go into Control, expand that menu, and the last thing that you want to search right here is for Keyboard Layout. Once you have selected Keyboard Layout, on the right side you want to right click, create new, and you want to select binary value. You want to name this Scan Code Map. Now you can press enter and double click into it to modify it. You want to enter what I'm going to let you guys in the description down below. Once you have selected all this binary code inside of here, you want to click into OK. And now you can restart once more your system and check if the Windows key is disabled in your PC. Now if you want to enable the Windows key once more, all that you have to do is to open once more the Registry Editor, scroll until this part right here, and you want to right click into the Scan Code Map, and you want to click into Delete. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If this helped you, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.